Hello students. Last class I have revised chapter 2, that is exponent and power. Now we want to explain, I want to revise square and square root, that is third chapter, cube and cube roots. Square and square root, cube and cube roots. First of all I will explain first square number, then cube root, square root, then cube root. 4 topics are there. So I will explain step by step. That is, today I will explain only square and property of a square and Pythagorean triplet. Okay, so square, what is a square number? A square is a number that is obtained by multiplying a number by itself. If any number is multiplied 2 times itself, that is called a square number. Means 1 square means 1 into 1, that will come 1 1 is 1. Now 2 square means 2 into 2, it will come 2 2 is 4. Next 3 square means 3 into 3, it will come 3 3 is 9. So these are the square number, or you can say 4 square means 4 into 4, 4 4 is 16, like that. Or 5 square means 5 into 5, that is 25. 6 square means 6 6 is 36, it will come 36. So these are the square number, means 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25, 6 square is 36, 7 square is 7 into 7, that is 49, and then 8 square means 8 into 8, that is 64. Next 9 square means 9 into 9, that is 81, and next last one is 10 square means 10 into 10, it is 100. So these are the square number. I have explained a square number, that 1 to 10. So we can find like this for any other 2-digit number or 3-digit number, just multiplying both. If any number multiply itself 2 times, that is called a square number. Okay. Now I want to explain properties of square. Properties of square, the property will come, means some conditions are given. So you have to remember that type of condition, then use that property. Then it will be helpful for you in the respective question sometimes are given. Okay. So I will explain some property. So first property, first write down properties of square number. Properties of square number. Okay. So properties of square number. First property, property 1, if any number has last digit 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, like this. Then square of that number ends with, then square of that number ends with digit 0, 1, 4, 0, 1, 4, 9, 6, 5 and 6, 9, 4, 1 respectively. Okay. So means respectively I have written, means if any number ends with 0, so square of that number is also ends with 0. If any number ends with 1, square of that number is also ends with 1. If any number ends with 2, then a square of that number is 4, ends with 4. If any number ends with 3, then a square of that number ends with 9. If any number ends with 4, then the square of that number ends with 6. If any number ends with 5, then the square of that number ends with 5 only. If any number ends with 6, then the square of that number also ends with 6 only. Okay. And next, if any number ends with 7, then the square of that number ends with 9. If any number ends with 8, square of that number is 4. If any number ends with 9, then the square of that number ends with 1. So these are the first property. Next, second property, we have to learn about second property. If any number has last digit 2, 3, 7, and 8. 2, 3, 7 and 8. So that will be not a perfect. That number will be not perfect square number. If any number has last digit 2, 3, 7, then that number will not be perfect square number. Perfect square number. Okay. So this one is the second property. Next, if a third one, if any even square of even number is always, just remember this, square of even number is always even. Square of even number is always even. Square of even number is an even. Okay. Next one, square of property 4. Square of odd number is odd. Square of odd number is odd. Square of odd number is an odd number. Okay. So next one, like that we have to use this property in the sometimes question is given, so you have to use this type of property. Okay. Some more property are there, so I will explain through the documents. Now I want to explain Pythagorean triplet. Next, our topic is Pythagorean triplet. Okay. Just I am explain that is based on our square number only. That's why we are studying that part. Pythagorean triplet. Next one is Pythagorean triplet. Okay. So in Pythagorean triplet, I will draw the triangle part also, means it is related with geometry, our triangle that is shape. So next one is Pythagorean triplet. Pythagorean triplet. Means just draw right angle triangle. In right angle triangle has three parts. In right angle triangle, a specific part is there. This one is perpendicular, means this one is perpendicular P, and this one is base B, and this one is hypotenuse. Okay. So this one is triangle ABC, where B is 90-degree angle. Now hypotenuse is always greater to both the base and as well as perpendicular. So there is a proper formula for Pythagoras given. Hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. H square is equal to P square plus B square. or if you want to find h square, so I will explain this type of process. If three number are given, three number, that is, just I am taking 3, 4 and 5, these are the three number. If you will put in this geometry, means in this triangle, means greatest, means it will come 5, or in place of perpendicular you can put 4 or 3 also, either one. So 4 will come and base 3. So if you use this value in this part, both LHS and RHS will equal or not, just you check out. So in place of h I have written here 5 square, means h square means 5 square, 5 square means 25. So this is the LHS part. Okay, so LHS value is equal to 25. Now we have to find RHS. RHS, p square plus b square is given. So p means 3 square, p means 4 square, 4 square plus 3 square. So 4 square means how much? 16 will come, and 3 square means 3 3 is 9. Now you add 16 plus 9, it will come 25 only. Okay, so just you see here, LHS value is also 25, RHS value is also 25, means both are equal. If both are equal, means that means this number is follow this formula. If this formula is follow, we can say it is a Pythagorean triplet. Okay, means three number are there, so these are the called Pythagorean triplet. Okay, so sometimes some question will come like this. We have to check three number are given like this, and we have to check this number are Pythagorean triplet or not. So in this case, we have to find, you have to use this formula only, and then identify LHS and RHS. Then if you both are equal, then we can say it is Pythagorean, it follow Pythagorean triplet. So 3, 4, 5 follow, it is Pythagorean triplet. Pythagorean triplet. Okay, next I will take next example, triplets. This one is the first, and second one is 4, 6, 10. Just you apply in this form. So 4, so this one is highest, means you have to take this one is hypotenuse. So h is hypotenuse, and you can take perpendicular base, either one. So this one is perpendicular and this one is base. Okay, now you have to use h square means 10 square, 10 square means 100 will come, 10 times 100. Next, p square plus b square. So p square means 6 square, or b square means 4 square. Just you have to find p 6 square, 6 is a 36, it will come 36. Next, 4 square means 4 4 is 16. Now you add both the number, you will get 52. 52 means here LHS is 100 and RHS is 52. So both are unequal, means LHS is not equal to RHS. LHS is not equal to RHS. It means this one is not follow Pythagorean formula, means it is not a Pythagorean triplet. So like that you have to check in this, whatever question is given in the exercise. Okay, that's